They can't see the mess. Anyways, so a long time ago. Hey everyone, so we're making chicken pot pie right now, but that's gonna be a different video. A couple months ago, Jen and I made McDonald's Big Mac pizza. Look at that! And Jen's bae requested that we made McDonald's apple pies. So, in this video, we're making the apple pies. So the ingredients include 2 apples, 1/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, juice of half a lemon, all-purpose flour for the surface, 1 sheet puff pastry, egg wash, and cinnamon sugar. Is this how that works? You grind up the whole thing? Mm-hmm. I don't think this is gonna go so well. I think so. Okay. Oh my god. How's it now? Hey, it still has to. It has to be like super fine. Okay. How do you peel? Do you use a peeler for? You can't use a peeler for an apple. I don't know. Google it. Okay. Do you want some of my juice?
Do I look like I'm a drunkard?
It's just juice.
What is it?
Did you squeeze all the lime juice out? Jennifer, how many times did I tell you it's lemon? You didn't go straight. I was never good at cutting straight lines. But that's okay. Ah! Yeah, it's hot. Why do you want? You can reshape it right now if you want, but if you break it, I'm gonna punch you in your face. It's a little burnt. Yes. Oh, these ones look good. Okay. Okay, let's give the parents these ones. Why? Because they're not burnt. I'll bring Dad's. Okay. You're going for it. Do you like the custard?
Very nice. Very nice.
It's hot. Okay, yeah.
I like the custard.
Thanks.
What do I call this one?
Apple pie. But it looks like the McDonald's apple pie, right?
Apple fritter.
Oh, okay. Apple fritter.
Huh?
But doesn't it remind you of the McDonald's?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good job. Good job.
Thanks. He said good job.